My name is Bill Fontana, and welcome to my strange studio in the boiler room of the San Francisco Museum of Modern Art. When I was asked by the museum to do this project, they were quite interested in my actually finding sounds that were produced by the building in some way. And I thought that this room, this mechanical boiler room, actually was the most interesting source of sound. If you notice the thin diameter of this pipe and the strange shape of this one, you have very different kinds of sounds. And we're going to come into another area where there are a lot of accelerometers. This is a particularly interesting one because this shape, this circular steel shape, is very musical and produces a lot of harmonics. There's water moving through this big steel pipe. And actually the sounds in different parts of this pipe are all quite different from each other. It makes me think a little bit of the kind of traditions that my art form comes from, especially like the Italian futurists and their interest in industrial noise and making symphonies of industrial noise. We're going to go into a part of this building that very few people have the privilege of being in. This room is interesting because it has all these circular openings, which are actually ventilation ducts. In the event that there's a fire in the building, there are huge exhaust fans up here that will suck air through these out of the building. Hopefully this won't happen while I'm in here. I've got loudspeakers, 8 loudspeakers mounted through some of these openings, and if you look through here, you can see the bridge and a nice view of the oculus of this building. We're kind of in the eye of it up here. And it gives me a very special feeling to be able to come up here and spend hours myself in this sort of like secret place, sort of like an extension of my studio, really.